Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Alright, so let's begin, but first I need to unfold my phone, yes, because that's our Motorola. I know it looks like a watch, but it's one of its coolest features, so let's unfold that phone, because unfortunately we cannot perform all of the actions that we can on the normal, on when the phone is unfolded. So let's open up the settings. Now scroll down a little bit, and in here we need to find backup or copy data, and we're gonna use the first option, which is backup data. We can use the second method, which is copy data using Android switch, because that method is only used when we want to bring data from another data. You can read about it right in here, but unfortunately we cannot, copy from this device to another. So we can only, receive using that option. We can't send. So we need to select backup data. And now below the account storage, right in here, you can see our Google account that we are currently logged into. And remember that if you want to restore that backup in the future, you will need to be logged into the same account that you see right in here on your phone. Not that one, because this one is mine, but yours that you see right below your account storage. Because on this account the backup will be stored. So it is crucial to remember your account on which you are making the backup. Okay, make sure that backup by Google One is enabled right in here. And when it comes to the backup details, as you can see, the apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings and the Google account data will be backupped. Alright, so now all you need to do is to tap on that button, backup. Now we need to wait a little bit. Now under the backup, okay, now we can see that this thin little bar appeared, and it's starting to fulfill. When it comes to the opposite edge, it will mean that the backup is successfully made. And now let's simply wait until it's done. Okay, and now it has been made. On the bottom of the screen there was a message that your data is backup, and that's simply all. Now the backup is finished and it's stored on our Google account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.